Today we will be bringing you to Bukit Batok Nature Park. Let's go!
Get off at Bukit Batok MRT Station. As you exit the train station, refer at the overhead signage to lead you to the bus interchange. Make sure also that you have enough fund in your EasyLink card. So if you don't have, you can top up at this machine. It's best to go to Bukit Batok Nature Park early in the morning or late in the afternoon, and you can grab some food before heading there. So there's a lot of choices around here at the Bukit Batok MRT Station. McDonald's is just across the road, and at the opposite side is the Bukit Batok West Mall, where you will have a lot of food choices. They open around 10 in the morning. Walk straight to go to bus interchange. Look for bus number 61. Always refer to the overhead signage to direct you where you can find your bus. So at this case, bus number 61 is at berth number 4. Get off at St. Mary's Church. I intentionally went up here at the overhead bridge to show you where the bus stop is. So walk straight until you reach Bukit Batok East Avenue 2. You will have to cross this road because the entrance is over there. Bukit Batok Nature Park is a 36-hectare park and was previously a granite quarry. So from the entrance, we will have to go straight to the Quarry Cliff. As of date, it's still mandatory for us to practice safe distancing as well as to wear a mask. This is a nice place to escape the busyness of the city after a long day of work. It's nice to have a stroll here with your loved one or spend time with your family during the weekends. As you walk along this path, you don't even need to wear your music on because the chirping sounds of the crickets are very therapeutic and soothing. At the middle of this long walk, you can find the toilet and water refill station and also the kids' playground. It's really nice to have a leisure walk or jogging or brisk walking during the morning at this place. You would also notice most of the areas are barricaded, like these benches over here. This is to ensure that the safe distancing are being practiced. Take a look at the stone over there, wrapped around by the tree's roots. It is nature's amazing ways. Over here is a way to the trail. So this area has a lot of trails in it. But for me, I would prefer to go there when I have a company. So walk straight all the way, and then that's where the Quarry Cliff is. This is the popular spot to take photos. So this is me and my husband when we were having our morning walk. And this was a photo of my relatives who came to visit us last year. This is a foot reflexology path. It helps you to stimulate pressure points on your feet. Unfortunately, it's all barricaded. Let's take a peek inside the toilet. This is where we usually hang out while Yumi is at the playground. This is all for now. On our next video, we will cover the trails inside this park. I hope you enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe. Please feel free to request also on places that you want to see in Singapore and things that you want to know about Singapore. Bye!